I should give it a name. The fenced-in garden. Things are coming along really well. I'm very, very excited for progress. And I love that I have so much control with the plastic. Like, this is my first year doing plastic mulch. Oh my gosh, this sheet of plastic is just groundbreaking. So I feel like I've just unlocked a huge win. So over here we've got our sweet pea flowers. Some of them are stressed out, not doing as well, but a lot of them are doing great. So feeling really good about those. Our sunflower transplants, these were from seed trays that I started inside. They have bounced back so well. They just look a little gangly, but I'm feeling very good about how they're doing. I just put these cherry tomatoes in the ground. This one definitely is not happy. But the rest are they're feeling really good, like really vigorous. Yeah, they look really good. So these will get very big, and then I want them to climb the fence here, and I can put stakes in to secure them more, just to have a bush really of a whole bunch of cherry tomatoes. And I might move some if they get big and do real well. I might move them maybe into a pot, or I have extras there, which is nice. Some more sunflowers. Those don't look as cute, but they actually, well, these two are doing well. The other ones might not do so well. I still plant them even if they've lost their leaves, because I know that they're very resilient and will usually come back. I'm growing yellow onions for the very first time. So if you have tips, would love them. I'm not putting a ton of effort into this, so I haven't really researched, but I thought that these starts looked pretty good in the tray. I probably should have separated them. There's a lot of plants together. I also just kind of don't care, to be honest. So I'm throwing them in, seeing what they do. If I get somewhere with it, great. If not, that's okay too. This is more ornamental sunflowers for cutting. So I've cut flowers here. So this is the next batch of succession that I just seeded in the ground. And then way at the end, my first planting out here are the volunteer sunflowers that were in this field from last year as the lucky charm blessing that they are. And all of them came back. Look at that. So they survived transplant really well. They are very, very happy. So this is exciting. These are probably the first ones that will bloom. And then I have extra space here to put other successions of sunflowers and anything else I want, whatever my heart desires. Got 6 dahlias that I just planted here. Those will have orange dinner plate, large blooms. I put in a handful of Brussels sprout plants. Yes, they are kind of close together. I don't care. I just want to see what happens. Napa cabbage. Not only are these just gorgeous little plants, look at how pretty that is. They have grown really well for me. I tried growing them for the first time last year out here, and they did really, really well. So I thought, why not throw some in the ground? Got some bell peppers. And then this is my herb area. So I've put a bunch of seeds in here for different types of basil. And what else do I have? I think I have sage out here and lavender. So just waiting for those to come up. And here are the puppies. Good morning, guys. It is a constant game of mom, throw my ball, throw my ball. And they are not allowed in here because they dig up stuff. And they're gonna dig up the fabric and they sit on the plants. So come here, sweetie. Over here. Go get it, babe. Good girl. Hi, Arlo. Hi, baby. Let's go, guys. Thing I'm loving the most about this setup is that I have full control of the weed situation, which is just amazing because I have spent so many hours over the seasons in past years managing and chasing weeds, and it's just awful. So this is amazing. And then I have this whole other area as a blank canvas that I'll eventually get to planting. But again, I could take it at my own pace. I can do whatever I want. So it just feels very creative, very playful, and really in the spirit of like why I want to be gardening, which is just for joy, really, more than anything else. Right, baby? Here we go. So I'll keep you guys posted. More to come.